If you're looking to create high-converting event promotion ads in no time, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use AdCreative AI to skyrocket your event's visibility and engagement. Stick around till the end, because I'm offering an exclusive extended free trial that you won't want to miss. AdCreative AI is a platform that leverages artificial intelligence to automate the creation of high-quality, performance-driven ads. It's perfect for event promotion because it takes all the guesswork out of ad design and targeting. You can quickly generate creatives that are specifically tailored to your event's audience without needing any design experience. This means you can spend more time focusing on your event and less on trying to figure out which design works best. First things first, you'll need to sign up for AdCreative AI. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up your event ad campaign. Start by defining your event's details. You can upload key information about the event, like the date, location, and what it's all about. The AI uses this data to create tailored visuals that are aligned with your specific goals, whether that's driving ticket sales, boosting attendance, or increasing awareness. One of the coolest features of AdCreative AI is its ability to run A/B tests on the creatives it generates. For event promotion ads, you can create multiple variations to see which performs best with your audience. The software will automatically adjust, optimizing your creatives for maximum engagement. It's almost like having a digital marketing team at your fingertips. Another advantage is the ability to target your ideal event goers. You can create ads that speak directly to specific demographics based on age, interests, or location. If your event is location specific, AdCreative AI can help generate creatives that are highly relevant to users in that area. This level of targeting ensures that your ads don't just look great, but they reach the people who are most likely to take action. Let's talk about the visual side. AdCreative AI provides a wide range of templates and customization options. So even if you're new to design, you can create stunning, professional-looking ads in just a few clicks. Whether you want a sleek, minimalist design or something bold and eye-catching, the AI will generate creative options that align with your event's branding. But here's where the power of AdCreative AI truly shines: the data-driven approach. After running your ads, you can access detailed performance analytics. This allows you to track how well your creatives are performing, whether that's through ticket sales or engagement metrics like clicks and shares. With this information, you can fine-tune your campaigns and make smarter decisions in real time. The best part? You can get started with AdCreative AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. By using the first link in the description below, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial that gives you full access to all the powerful features of the software. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait to take advantage of this incredible opportunity. To wrap it up, AdCreative AI is a game changer for anyone looking to promote an event. It simplifies ad creation, leverages AI to optimize campaigns, and provides detailed insights to ensure your event gets the attention it deserves. Remember, check the link below to access your exclusive extended free trial and start creating event promotion ads that convert today.